Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Forms. Open the form you'll edit and find the question or header that already contains an image. Click the image thumbnail or the image icon next to the question to open the image picker. Once the picker appears, you can replace the photo by uploading, dragging, or choosing from Drive or Photos. Make sure you pick the correct placement, question, option, or header, because that determines how respondents see it. Now proceed to select your replacement image. After the picker opens, choose Upload or select from Google Drive, Google Photos, or enter an image URL. This gives you flexibility for file sources. Once the image loads, use available crop or rotate tools to fit the question area and keep aspect ratio consistent with other form visuals. If replacing a multiple-choice option image, confirm size and alignment so text stays readable. Click Insert to apply it. Then preview the form to check how respondents will experience the updated image. Once the image is inserted, immediately use the form preview to confirm placement and clarity on both desktop and mobile. Visual issues often show up only in preview. If the image doesn't appear, make sure the file type is supported, file size is within limits, and drive permissions allow viewing. If problems continue, re-upload as PNG or JPG, reduce resolution, or clear your browser cache and refresh. Finally, save changes and test one submission to confirm everything works end-to-end.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.